Want to move your motorcycle without a hitch? Today, we'll share expert tips to transport your bike safely and confidently. First, it's essential to pick the right transport method. Let's break down the options. Loading onto a truck bed is a budget-friendly and convenient option if you already own a truck. Use a sturdy ramp and tie-downs to secure your motorcycle. Cover it to protect against road debris. A trailer provides more space and stability. Choose between open trailers, which are cheaper but exposed to weather, or enclosed ones for added protection. Hiring professionals ensures top-notch handling, insurance coverage, and door-to-door service for peace of mind. However, this may come at a higher cost. Proper preparation is the foundation of safe motorcycle transport. Here's what to do. Wash your bike to spot existing damage and document its condition with photos. Don't skimp on quality supplies. Invest in ratchet straps and soft loops. Loading correctly is critical. Use a ramp that supports your bike's weight and secure it firmly with multiple tie-downs. While on the road, maintain a steady speed and avoid sharp turns. When unloading, go slow and steady. Once your bike is on solid ground, inspect for any damage. Don't forget the legal side. Make sure your bike's insurance and registration are up to date. For long-distance hauls, plan rest stops to check your bike and keep your energy up. With these expert tips, you're all set for a worry-free motorcycle transport experience. For more guides and tips, visit haulmove.com. Like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle and transport advice.